everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. As you know, we always talk about new projects, new websites in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financially advised by me. So please do your own research before investing. So today in this video, we are going to talk about a new project that I like to know about. Let's begin and move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Alright guys, so today in this video, we are going to talk about Zama Coin. This project is aiming to transform the way people across Africa send money, accept payments and participate in the growing digital economy. With a strong focus on fast transactions, cross-border accessibility and financial inclusion, Zama Coin is positioning itself as a solution designed specifically for the needs of African users and businesses. And the vision behind the project is simple: to create a modern payment ecosystem that connects millions of people and helps move Africa's financial future forward. So here we are to the website of the project. First of all, we have the waitlist. One of the most interesting features currently available is Zama waitlist. The waitlist gives early supporters an opportunity to join the project before its wider public rollout. According to the team, users who join early may gain access to exclusive updates, community benefits, and participation opportunities as ecosystem continues to develop. The project presents this as a chance for early adopters to become part of the journey from the very beginning rather than discovering it after mainstream adoption. So you can be one of them. You can simply join the waitlist and then you can be the part of Zama Coin. But first you must be able to know more about the project. Basically, Zama is Africa's payment infrastructure, the instant cross-border transfers, merchant payment terminals, and privacy-first transactions, which is built for 1.4 billion people. Then no ICO, no pre-sale, CPU mining only, and SIC free. Then we have public mining opens in 16 days and 15 hours. So here we have countdown for the public mining opens. Then we have some of the statistics. You can check out the statistics. You can check the waitlist. Then founding price for per ZAM, which is 0.10 so far till now. Then 100 million is for hard cap, and chain mining is now live. Also, we can check some information about the max supply, then there are Africans on the waitlist, and entry price before listing, which is 0.01 so far till now. And then we have information about the Africa missed Bitcoin, Africa missed Ethereum, but not this time. You have to be join the Zama Coin. You have not missed it. As well as here we have information about the generational value built for Africa. Gold took 1,000 years to become the world's reserve, as that Bitcoin replicated digitally in just 15 years. Zama brings that same model to 1.4 billion Africans, and you can mine it on any laptop today. And then we have information. Africa's money works against Africa. 600 million unbanked and government freeze currencies. 20% for cross-border fees and zero financial privacy. As well as private and fast African privacy by default, mined by any laptop, send in seconds and convert instantly. And then here we have two videos. If you have any type of question, every question is answered in the video in plain language. So you can check the video that what is Zama Coin and what is blockchain. So you have to watch the video to know more information about the project. And if you have any type of inquiry, you are going to be cleared by watching this video. So you have to watching both of these videos. Then we have scarce by design, built to last. 100 million ZAM hard cap having every 4 years. The same scarcity model that drove Bitcoin from cents to thousands. As well as we have supply allocation, 96% for public mining and 4% for development fund. And then we have you can mine ZAM from anywhere in Africa. You can download to the miner, join the ZAM pool, convert the holder, etc. How much you will earn, estimated rewards are mentioned here. Everything is mentioned here, so you have to check the details about the project from here, like engineer to resist, and we have information about the infrastructure built in stages, You have to check the stages as well. Then One Currency, a complete financial network. ZAM is the infrastructure layer for Africa's payment economy, not just a coin to hold. Cross-border remittances, POS payment for informational traders, enterprise payment for business and government. A card accepted worldwide, One Currency powering all of it. Some frequently asked questions, you are going to get answers on website. And most of all, we have the social links. You have to simply follow them on Twitter, Telegram to be able to understand the project. It's better to join their social links to be able to understand the project and stay in touch with the team. And if you have any type of question, you can ask to their team and other members of the project. Okay, so here we have Twitter. We are redirected to the Twitter link. It's better to join their Twitter to know information about the project. As you can see, Twitter account is based in South Africa, and we have all information about the project on time. So you have to be follow them on Twitter to know more information, recent details, recent updates of the project, and recent upcoming information about the project. So all you have to do is to follow them on Twitter and join them on Telegram. Alright guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. Let me remind you once again that none of any project is financially advised by me. So please do your own research, take your time, and then you'll be able to join this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more video, subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell to get updated by my upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching.